Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to DEVLOG number 2. Today I played around with some physics and I'm going to show you some of them. So the first thing that I did was I made it to where you can cut down trees. And I don't know how loud the sound is. I'm going to go and turn that down some. But here you can cut down trees. And it takes a couple hits to do it. I think it takes 20 hits with a stone hammer. It'll take like 10 to 5 maybe. I don't know exactly with different kind of axes. I guess there could be like different ores that are different axes or something. And it would make it just better. Like better quality, and it makes it where it's easier to cut down. It gives better yield. As you can, that's really loud. That's really loud. As you can see, you can cut down the trees, and yeah. And I also played around with some other physics too. So I made it to where the rock, you can hit with it, but whenever you throw it, if you throw it at a tree, it won't just stop whenever it hits the tree. It'll bounce off the tree, which is pretty cool, right? So let's say you were right next to a tree and you threw it as hard as you can at the tree. It'll bounce off. But let's say you're next to the tree and you throw it like right here, it won't bounce off as much. So let's say you're back here and you throw it at it, it won't bounce off near as much. And I'm gonna show you how I did that real quick. So let's go inside my project. I have it to where the rock, whenever it starts as a clone, it's switch across to the rock, goes to front layer, it goes to the character, it points in direction of character, and it sets the distance. And distance is also a like just that sprite. So to make it easier, it sets the distance to round. It rounds the distance to player. So right now, like, it isn't the clone, but it rounds it just about 11 units or whatever. I think it's 11 like pixels or something away from the character. So like, let's say if I was to make my character go this way and do that, it'd be, I don't know exactly where the rock is right now, but I don't know. But it calculates the distance. It calculates the distance that this right here. Shoot, I hate that. That the pointer is away from the rock, and then it repeats until distance equals. Oh shoot! It's meant to do that. It says repeat until distance is equal to 0, and it moves 30 steps. And if it's touching the tree, it starts to sound hit tree, and it repeats until distance equals 0, and it moves -10 steps, and it changes the distance by -1, and it stops the script. And then if it touches edge, then it deletes the clone, and obviously at the end it changes the distance by -1 to make it to where it's kind of like this sprite right here, except it changes it. So yeah, those are all the physics that I made. That's the end of devlog number 2. Hope you guys had a good day.